Libra. Libra, welcome. Libra, we're going to get into a general read for you guys. Let's see what's going on in your current energy. I know that energies have been weird lately, especially as a reader. But also, just personally, it's been a weird one. Current energy is the Two of Swords, clarified by the Sun, the Eight of Swords, and the Eight of Pentacles. So right now, you may not be knowing what to do. You may be in, big words, quandary. I don't normally use that word at all. I speak construction at the best of times. We have the Sun, the Eight of Swords, Eight of Pentacles. And so looking at this, it's like you may not be knowing what to do. You may be faced with a choice or choices. That's all well and good. You seem to be in your head quite a bit about the things that you should be doing. For others of you, even though that this type of thing is actually happening, it's okay. It's okay of what's going on with the Sun card. And with the Eight of Pentacles, just keep doing what you're doing, all right? It may be that that problem gets solved by the subconscious at any given time where you wake up with sort of an epiphany. The Three of Pentacles shows up as a desire. We have the Chariot, the Ace of Swords, and the Knight of Swords. Again, this sort of just confirms that you want to know what is going on. With the Three of Pentacles, yeah, you want to work on what you're doing, but you may be unsure of the direction, and you'd like to figure that out with the Ace of Swords, just so you can actually give it your all with the Knight of Swords here. So, completely understandable. When we look to the future, we see the Five of Swords, clarified by the High Priestess, the King of Wands, and the Judgment card. Judgment card's been showing up almost for every sign. I find that really unique in that it usually shows up sort of in the desire or in the possible near future. So you may think you're done with something with the Five of Swords, but you're really going to need to use your intuition around that just to make sure. We see that the King of Wands here, you know, being able to, and this could be with a business, but also just be careful of feeling like you've won, because we see the Judgment card. And that means it could be something else could be coming back around. So maybe you won on one hand, but there's another thing that's coming around again for you to test your mettle on the and see what goes on there. So again, this just seems amazing of how this is actually turning out. Now we have the Three of Wands showing up as what is working for you. So you're able to sort of see out of the mud. That just may be for one of you. You can finally see what's going on. You've been trying to bring around something that is more fulfilling with the Magician and the Four of Cups. This just kind of seems like, you know what? It's kind of the same old that's coming back around. It's like, it's like you're being tested as, okay, if we give you 4 apples, will you be happy with that? Is that good enough? It's like the universe is sort of testing you, going, would you settle for this? Or do you really, really want that? And then we see the Page of Cups. So it's like, okay, you can see what you want. You're starting to manifest that. But then there's this Four of Cups. Is this good enough? Or do you want what the Page of Pentacles is bringing you? So I see the Page of Pentacles as the beginning of something better, because then a page goes from a page to a squire to a knight to, you know, royalty, if you will. What you need to be aware of. Four of Swords. Ooh, Queen of Wands. So we do have the King and Queen of Wands on the table. Four of Swords, Queen of Wands, Seven of Cups, Eight of Cups. Again, this is really just figuring out what to do. Looking at the Four of Swords, being able to breathe, look at things objectively, and see how that shakes out. Because being really busy seems to, or maybe you're really super busy and really attractive with a lot of different things, and you're not sure which to leave behind because there are so many options. They all may seem really, really good. So it may be that for some of you, there's a lot of stuff coming in, and it's going to be one of those things is, what do you choose to leave? What do you choose to move towards, and which do you leave behind? Let's pull out four more cards. We have the Ten of Wands, the Hierophant, Ace of Cups, and the Death card. So the Ten of Wands talks about just things being really heavy, being burdened with a lot of different things in life. And the Hierophant, you may be seeking guidance, but at the same time, the Hierophant can be a connection with love. And then we see the Ace of Cups, and how that there could be something coming in that really may seem heavy, but that starts off with the Ace of Cups, where it's like, wow, this is really, really good. And it brings about massive change. So it kind of gets you out of a rut, if you will. So that's what I've got for you today. I'd be interested to see how this resonates with you. Best of luck this week. We'll see you next time. Stay safe.